This is the F minor country motions to octave for grade 5 exam. So right hand will the F minor note will be B flat, A flat, and D flat. You know the words BAD, bad. So these are the words. So you need to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick to C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Turn 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn 3 on E. 3, 2, 1. Turn 4 on B flat. Left hand when you go down. 1, 2, 3. 1. On C, 2, 3, 4. Then remember the F must be finger 1. You can go 5 first, then you change to 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn 3, 3, 2, 1, turn 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn 3, 3, 2, 1. So 两个手的时候 two hands. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This 4, change to 1, 5, change to 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, that is 1, turn 4, 3 black, turn 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, change to 1, this one change to 4, very special, change 4, 3, 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.